Hey guys, my name is Brandon. I own Dryer Vent Clean AZ. We specialize in anything through the dryer vents and cleaning air ducts. Right now I'm at a client's house. They're complaining about problems with the dryer not drying. Pulled out the dryer, pulled off the hose, and it's completely filled up with lint. Firefighters recommend having your vent inspected at least every 12 to 18 months so these problems don't occur. Right now we are running a $25 off a dryer vent clean and a 15% off air duct clean if you mention it's that.
Oh my god. That house I was telling you about, it was kind of like this.
Gross. Like splattering on my